Hey everyone, I'm Joey. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a 3-balloon advanced bunny rabbit. Some supplies you're going to need are your handy dandy balloon pump, 3 260 size balloon twisting balloons, 1 preferably white, the other 2 whatever color you want the majority of your bunny to be. Links to these items can be found in the description below. Smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm because that really helps my channel and it's a super small free way that you can show your support. Subscribe for more balloon twisting and balloon decoration tutorials. Grab your supplies and let's get started. We're going to inflate this balloon to about 3 finger lengths tail. Now I'm going to squeeze the balloon with both hands and put pressure with my arm against my body to distribute the air evenly throughout this balloon. I want to leave a little nub on the end because I'm going to tie it with this nozzle and create a loop. When I've created my loop, I'm going to find the middle point by stretching it evenly, make a twist right here by twisting both sides in opposite directions. Next, we're going to put both ends together and make a twist so that we have 2 large loop twists. These are going to be the bunny's ears. We're going to set these aside while we make the face of our bunny. If you're doing line work or working in a restaurant, you can ask somebody to hold this for you while you're working on the other pieces, or put it under your arm so that you can still work on the rest of your shape. Next, inflate your white balloon about halfway. We're going to be doing a quick break with this, so we don't need to inflate it to a certain amount. With this white balloon, we're going to be making a couple key features on the bunny's face. We're going to be making a nose, 2 teeth, 2 cheeks, and 2 eyes. We'll start off by making a 1-inch bubble. We'll use the nozzle as the bunny's nose. Next, you can either do the 2 cheeks or the 2 teeth. It doesn't really matter, whatever's easiest to you. The cheeks are going to be loop twists. We want our loop twists to be about 2 inches long. If you decide to do your teeth first, they're just going to be 2 1-inch bubbles that we connect back to this joint. I did 1 cheek first, then the teeth, so now I need to do another cheek that I'm going to make another loop twist about the same size. You're going to want to orient it so that your loop twists are laying flat on either side, your nose is coming out the front, and your 2 teeth are facing down. Next, we're going to make eyes of this bunny. I want mine to be about 2 inches tall, so I'll make a twist right here. And now I'm going to attach this twist to my middle twist of these bunny ears. Now I'm going to make another bubble for my other eye that's going to be the same length as this first one. Now I'm going to attach this twist to this joint in here. An easy way to do this is to bring it down the back of the head. All my other features are facing the front. I'm going to push on this bubble to get it as close to the other eye as possible, and I can put a lot of pressure on this part of the balloon because air has room to go through the rest of the balloon here. So I'm going to push this twist in with this joint and then twist the rest of my balloon around with a feature of the face, probably a cheek. Now we are totally done with this white balloon, so I'm going to do a quick break, and instead of tying it off, which you can also do, I'm going to wrap it around this joint a ton of times, and that should prevent it from deflating. We're going to do some work on these ears at the end, but for now let's continue with our shape and inflate our last balloon to about 4 finger lengths tail. I'll give my balloon a good squeeze to soften it. And I'm going to connect this nozzle into this joint right here, so I'll just pull the nozzle and wrap it around the joint a few times. Now we're going to create the back of the bunny's head, so we're going to create a section the same size as this bunny's eye. Connect this twist with this top joint. Now we're going to make another section the same size that we just made. and connect this twist to this joint right here. These are a few pretty tight twists, that's why this is an advanced balloon twisting tutorial. If you're having trouble with balloons popping by connecting a lot to this joint in here, make sure you're squeezing the balloon to soften it as you twist, and you can even leave more tail than I'm suggesting when you first tie off your balloon. From here, it's pretty easy. We're going to make a 1-inch bubble for the neck. 2 character legs that are going to be about 4 or 5 inches long. There's 1 leg with a twist, fold the balloon back up, and make that other leg parallel with your first one by twisting it into the bottom of the neck. And remember to squeeze your balloon as you're making this to soften it. Now to finish your bunny off, we are going to make about a 4 or 5 inch section for the body. Squeeze your balloon to evenly disperse the air to the end. Make a loop twist that's about the same size as your front legs. And bring the rest of your balloon to twist it around the bottom of the neck here. If this is all you have room for, you can do a quick break on the end of your balloon, or if you have a little bit left that can reach back down to this twist, squeeze the rest of your balloon, create a 1-inch bubble on the end here. It's okay if your back legs come undone because we're just going to be making another twist right here anyway. And bring this back down. This will be the bunny's tail. And we're going to twist everything right here together. If you'd like a sitting bunny, like I usually do, I can put these front legs through this bottom loop twists that are the back legs. Now there's a couple different things we can do for the ears. I will do one ear, one method that I sometimes use, and the other ear, a different method. Both methods require finding the middle point and making a twist. And I can put a hand on both of the ends of this ear and kind of twist them around each other like a pretzel. This is one method. Here's the other method. Make a twist at the top. And instead of twisting them together like a pretzel, I can bend them down so they're kind of like floppy ears. Squeeze alternatingly. And even rub them up and down together to round out this bend. And here's your 3-balloon bunny rabbit. If this was helpful, don't forget to hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm. It really helps my channel, and it's a super small, free way that you can show your support. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for some more balloon twisting, balloon decorating, personal finance, business tips, mental health, and a bunch of other fun content. Let me know how it goes, and if there's any balloon animals that you don't see on my channel that you'd like me to try in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching. I'm Joey. I'll see you next time.